In today's video, I am going to teach you how to switch accounts on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone secure client area or your trading platform. Once you are inside, the process is straightforward and only takes a moment. If you are using the Pepperstone secure client area, open the trading accounts section. This is where you can view the accounts linked to your profile. Look through the list and find the account that you want to switch to. Once you have located it, select the live or demo trading account you would like to use. If you are switching accounts inside MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, start by opening the platform, then go to the File menu and choose Login to Trade Account. A login window will appear. Enter the login details for the trading account you want to access. After that, select the correct Pepperstone server that matches that account. This step is important because the account will only connect properly if the server is correct. When everything is entered, click Login to complete the switch. If you are using CrustTrader, the process is also simple. Click on your current account at the top of the platform, or open the Accounts section if that is easier on your version of the layout. You will then see the available trading accounts connected to your profile. Select the account you want to switch to, and the platform will load that account for you. After switching, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct account. Check the account number shown on the screen. Also look at the balance and other account details that are displayed. This helps make sure you are trading in the right live or demo account before you place any orders.
The key thing is to follow the correct path based on the platform you are using.
In the Secure Client area, go to Trading Accounts and choose the account. In MetaTrader, use the File menu and log into the selected account with the correct server. In Trader, open the account list and choose the account you want. Once you have confirmed the account number and balance, the switch is complete and you are ready to continue trading. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.